Woo!
What are those?
Oh, it's a partridge. Oh, partridge just ran into the woods. We are in the middle of an absolute crazy snowstorm right now. It's gnarly. Yeah, it's quite snowy. It's late January here in Northern Ontario, and I'm gonna be honest, we've had a little bit of a slow start to winter, but it's really coming down now. Like, this is like the first real gnarly snowstorm of the year here. Like it's been a slow start to winter. We had a couple like really good storms, but then it got super warm. So yeah, the snow has been kind of shit. Got the sleds staying warm in the garage. Got the bikes in here too. But today I just wanted to take a minute to show my machine here. See this machine on the channel a lot. Lots of YouTube shorts of me doing wheelies and whatnot. For those of you who don't know, this is my 2000 Skidoo Formula Deluxe 600. The Deluxe means is it had the reverse electric start and it was liquid cooled, which wasn't a huge thing back then. A lot were just fan or air cooled. The sled originally came with a 121, but a couple years ago, we threw a 137 on it with a 1.5 inch powder lug. A couple years ago too, we changed the skis too. These are the Slydog Command powder skis. They are 6.5 inches wide. It originally came with these crappy heavy trail skis, and the carbides were in rough shape. I couldn't turn even in the snow, like on the trails and stuff. So we threw those on. If you're looking to put new skis on pretty much any snowmobile, definitely check out Slydog. They're amazing. They're like half the weight too, and they're almost twice as wide. Yeah, this thing is an absolute beast of a snowmobile. Like, runs mint for its age, and yeah, it's just a great machine. And of course, got the Backcountry. This is a 2021 Skidoo Backcountry 850 with a 146 with a 1.6 Ice Cobra track. I love this thing too. It's my dad's machine, but I like to ride it every once in a while, and it's just awesome. I mean, both machines are awesome, but you know, the 850 is just, you know, it's amazing. One other thing I forgot to mention, the can on here is probably the same age as the snowmobile. It's an MBRP race can. You can kind of see it. It's really small like a mountain can. And that's been on there for years, and I imagine it's just hollow now because this thing is loud. For a 600 at least, like these old 600s, man, they're something. That's the look under the hood there. Still even got the original toolkit there. One other thing is we have the bar risers on here. These are 4-inch bar risers from Royal Distributing. It helps a lot with the kind of riding I like to do. The old handlebars used to sit like way back here, but I threw these on and I tilted it up so it would kind of match the new style, and it made a huge difference. It's nice standing up. runs good. Also, smoke's good too. There you have it. That's my machine. That's the machines. I'm gonna try and get out and do some more videos with the sleds. Probably try and do some ski videos at some point if winter stays. Looking good right now. So stay tuned for future videos. Thanks for watching.